All right, we're gonna warm up our feet. Just follow along. You can't mess it up. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Knees are bent. We're gonna start with 2 taps on each foot. Right foot first. 1, 2, 1, 2. You got it. Bend those knees. Really sit into those legs. Same thing. 2 on your right with your heel. Gotta tell you what we're doing. 2 heels, 2 heels. Now we're gonna do single taps, right, left. So we're just doing 1 tap, right. Now your heels for 8, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do your taps again, right, left. Now your heels. Now we're gonna combine all these. 2 taps right, 2 taps left, 2 heels. Now 4 taps, single, 4 single heels. Repeat that, 2 right, 2 left, 2 heels, 4 taps, 4 heels. You got it. Slow step heel. We have 2 sounds. Ball, heel. Now we're gonna speed this up. Ball, heel. Step, heel, step, heel. Dig, tap, slow. So now it's your heel to your toe. Speed it up. Dig, tap. We're gonna slow it down. Ball, heel, tap, heel. 4 sounds. This is a 4 count crawl. Now we're gonna speed it up. We go ball, heel, tap, heel, ball, heel, tap, heel. One more. There's a little break. We're just gonna roll our ankles. So if you can balance, rolling that right ankle and reverse it. Arms are there for balance. And now your left ankle. Just roll it around. Reverse it when you're ready. Both feet back on the ground. We're gonna drop our heels slow. Then we're gonna speed it up for 8. Same thing, but with your toes slow. You got it. Speed it up. Just warming up those legs. Slow step heel. Ball, heel. Speed it up for 8. Step heel, step heel. Big tap, slow. Heel tap. Knees are bent. Speed it up for 8. We're gonna do that 4 count crawl slow. Ball, heel, tap, heel. Left, ball, heel, tap, heel. Speed it up. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3. You got it. We're gonna slow it down again and start with our dig. Dig, tap, heel. Tap, left side. Dig. So it's the opposite of what we were doing before. Speed it up. Dig, tap, heel, go. Right. Dig, tap, heel, go. Last one. Very, very nice. If you want a slower breakdown of this step, I have a tutorial and it's linked down in the video description. So go check that out if you want to. Thanks so much for tapping with me.